secret, but I don't know what it
And here
is.
we are at the Flatiron Trail. Ready to go. Now we're starting the Flatiron Trail. Good boy, Trak'r. What a good boy. Okay. We got 3 miles there, 3 miles back. It really just kind of goes up and down. It's not very, really not much elevation at all. Got to get a good scratch in. First thing, yeah, there you go, Trak'r. That's pretty good. Nice job, Trak'r. There he comes. You're gonna wear yourself out there, boy. All right, Trak'r. Oh, you're gonna scratch again. Okay. Did you catch any of those butterflies? He's jumping around trying to catch the butterflies, or maybe they were grasshoppers or something. I don't know, but they were everywhere.
Slide into the ground, it'll be good.
Bye, Trak'r. He's found a friend. Go, Trak'r! Did you catch the butterfly? He was running around chasing butterflies like. There he goes. But Flatiron, we're actually in the Badlands of Oregon, which officially was an unofficial wilderness, I guess, and I believe it's now official. Something got passed, so I think it is an official wilderness area now, so that's nice. It's just 3 miles of windy stuff like this, and then there's lots of these junipers, rock outcroppings. All of this is very volcanic, high desert. Everything around Bend is volcanic. Lots of buttes and such. Yeah, it's an interesting one. Tree was growing right through the middle of some rocks there, but it died. My shoes, but you can see a lot of rocks with the juniper again. But that's kind of what the Flatiron rock is. It's just a big outcropping of that sort. And there's Trak'r, relaxing in the shade. Come on, Trak'r! All right, here we go. Here's the trail ahead of us. Here's some big, wide open upper desert. Lots of juniper trees. Junipers have this real kind of an old look, almost prehistoric. Big trunks, and they get skinny real fast at the top. I'll find one here that's kind of dead and bare, and it's very interesting. We're not quite halfway, even though this is supposed to be halfway. There's a split here in the trail. What we got here? Flatiron Trailhead. Yeah, I know. That's where we came from. And what's over here? Ancient Juniper Trail. And Flatiron Rock this way. That's where we're going. And Trak'r's up there in the rocks. Trak'r! Here we go! A blast. We've ran into, gosh, 6 groups of people. Of course, he said hi to everybody. That he has to do. That's part of who he is. Here's one of those junipers. Looks like it got burned or something. But the base is like 1.5 feet. And the top, it's about 30 feet at the most, and goes to nothing. It's just a real fast tapering tree. And there's a big one. Some of them, the bases are huge. So you know it's been around for a while, but they don't grow real tall. They grow real pointed. Trak'r! There we go, Trak'r! Yeah, Trak'r! very happy. Been working on Trak'r staying closer to me while we hike. There's been times where he's ran way off in front, and it really worries me when he's almost out of sight or out of sight. I have to blow a whistle, get him to come back. So far, I haven't had to blow no whistle once, so that's a good thing. Okay. Got some more of these rock formations. Quite interesting. I gotta really be careful when I'm walking on this trail, I tell you. The rocks kind of blend into the ground. It's real easy to trip. There's Trak'r. We must be getting close, Trak'r. Yeah, I think so. I think we're getting close. It's a gorgeous day today. Gosh, was it March 29th or 30th? Oh my gosh, can't remember. Okay. Yeah, I think we're almost there. I see a big rock in front of us. That's probably it. Trak'r found a stick. Yeah, that rock formation behind him, that might be it right there. Yeah. Trak'r's leading the way. Let's see, there's a sign. Yeah, here we go. We can go up into the rock. That's kind of cool. Good boy, Trak'r. All right. Time for some water, a little snack. This little chair, not sure what that's all about. Okay. Make our way up through the rock. I heard there's some nice views. Good boy, Trak'r. Wow, this is a nice shady place. Crazy dog climbing up on the rocks, thinks he's a mountain goat. Trak'r, what are you doing? Trak'r, I turned my head for one moment and you're doing something crazy. Trak'r. Here, do you want Papa to get you down? Oh my gosh, look at you. Oh, Trak'r. That's scary. He climbed the face of this silly thing. Oh my goodness. Boy. Hey, Trak'r decided to relax a little bit. That was good. That's our little spot. Good boy, Trak'r. Just kind of hanging out, had a snack, had some water. Went through a liter like in lightning speed. It's not even that hot. It's like 62. You all wore out there, huh, Trak'r? From that rock climbing? You're one crazy boy. Yes, you are. Yeah, Trak'r. Yeah, evidently there's some great views. Probably should climb up there. So, Flatiron rock. Just this lava rock. I don't know, did it just like pour and then stop at a spot and then this was a ripple or something? Weird. Don't know how these things are formed, but very interesting looking. Okay. All right. Trak'r. This Trak'r. Yeah. Trak'r. Good boy. Okay, I thought I would take a quick shot around here. Yeah. From the top, kind of, sort of. And great views. There's the Mountain Bachelor way over there. Oh, there goes Trak'r. Oh boy, Trak'r found his old stick. He's gonna wrestle it to the ground. Okay. This old tree. It's got moss all over it. Okay, Trak. You ready to go? Okay, here we go. Here we go. Well, I guess the butterflies like horse manure. Oh well. Interesting old dead juniper, and it looks like somebody has made a home. Perfect little hole. And there's Trak'r relaxing on the way back. It's always ahead of Papa, and then Papa catches up. We got some clouds, so got a little cloud cover here and there. That's kind of nice. This trail's kind of wide open, so you get a lot of sun. But it's not too hot today. But when you've been running in circles, digging, Trak'r. You good boy. You good boy. We got some clouds keep coming, so it's really nice. Trak'r's a little tired. He keeps running around in circles, and he was back there digging holes after something. I don't know what it was. You can see the mountains off there in the distance. And here we are at the Flatiron Trail, ready to go.